Hi you guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am not going to show you just my feminine side, but also my masculine side. So I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, why I'm holding this dumbbell, but this is supposed to be a makeup channel. So girl, wait. Because in this video, I'm going to do the workout while doing my makeup challenge. So, wala pa masyadong mga makeup gurus or mga YouTubers na nakagawa ng challenge na ito. I know meron, pero wala pa masyado. So, yeah. I am going to do this challenge. And if you wanna know kung saan patungo ang challenge na ito, you better watch till the end of the video. But first, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para update ko kung ako next mag-upload. Okay, yeah. So, I did prepare 6 different kinds of exercises, but we're going to do 7. It's because I'm just going to double the squats. Because, girl, this booty needs work. Yeah, so, first we're going to stretch, do squats, high knees, crunches, planks, lunges, and lastly but not the least, is the squats. Period. So in every workout we do, we must first do some stretching. So I'm going to do stretching while applying my foundation. So if you're concerned about my foundation or my base, baka mag-cake or something like that, no need to worry because I'm going to test my Superstay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation from Maybelline, New York. It's because this kind of foundation is sweat-proof daw. I don't know kung ano ka-legit kasi binili ko kasi ito because nakalagay na sweat-proof. And I'm going to use this sa mga performances. Yes, because yeah, I'm a performer so I need some sweat-proof foundation. But hindi ko pa ito na-try in performances, so I need to try this today. So I'm going to apply my foundation while doing my stretching. Yeah, so ano ba? It's really weird, you know. Oh my god. It's because as a performer, before performance kami nag-apply ng makeup, hindi while dancing, you know. So I'm going to do scoopings. So kaya nag-exercise tayo, dapat blended pa rin. This is my foundation. So medyo may mga sweat na ako. Because, you know, I'm a waterfall person. So, for the next step, I am going to do squats for my concealer. And now, I am going to do high knees while setting my face and putting loose powder. How are you? I'm fine. still living. Bago pa tumigas yung powder sa mukha ko kasi I'm getting sweaty na. So we just need to brush it off immediately. Baka mag-leave to ng spots, white spots, and we don't want that. And yeah, it's leaving spots na. So what I'm going next is I am going to do crunches while doing my brows. For these eyebrows, I'm not really going for ipakat-pakat na eyebrows, but I'm going for a natural eyebrows. So, pray for me. Oh my god, it's so hard. It's so hard doing makeup while doing exercising. So for the next thing that we're going to do, so medyo pagod na ako, but still I need to finish this content para may video kayo mapanood. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use my Acro Squad palette and my NYX Cosmetics. So while I'm going to do my eyeshadow, we're going to do planks. So yeah, I'm going to do plank hanggang sa matapos ko yung eyeshadow ko. So this would be the most challenging part of this challenge. So wish me luck. So I'm going to take brown shadow for my crease. Oh my god, it's starting to hurt. Oh, rest muna ako, girl. Let's go! So for this eyes, I'm going for a natural look. You can know, not so natural, but medyo natural. So my arms are really attached on the floor and I'm just moving my wrist to just make this eyes. Rest muna tayo mga be. Water break muna. Ito na pala yung eyes ko. So it's not really that great. Medyo messy siya. Well, you know, it's a challenge. And nag-workout ako. So you know, acceptable. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do lunges. So lunges is for my legs and I'm going to do my contour. So I have here my detail makeover and I'm just going to take my contour. And so next, we're going to do our blush, highlight, and lastly, but not the least, our lips. So while I'm doing those things, I am going to do squats to work this booty. So yeah, let's start. Squats again. So every time I'm putting blush, I'm really doing weird faces like this. And even mascara, you know. And so for our highlighter, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, you know, to add some dewiness. Our lips, I am going to use my ColourPop in the shade Tool. So this is my look without lashes, and yun na lang yung kulang para maging complete na yung look for today's video. So I'm going to put my lashes on off cam, and I'm going to put a little bit montage just to showcase the whole look for this challenge. Be right back. There you go, guys. This is the end of my makeup challenge. So as you can see, it's not that bad though. You know, pretty pa rin kahit pinawisan. And yeah, I conclude that you can do your makeup while doing your workout. But it's not really recommended. It's because hindi the best yung outcome. But still, you can post this to Instagram, you know, and be proud of it. If you do love watching me doing my workout while doing my makeup, don't forget to like this video, share, and comment guys kung anong gusto nyo ipagawa for me sa susunod na video. It could be challenges, it could be anything, basta video. And, yeah. Di pa rin ako makapaniwala na nagawa ko yun. Nag-workout while doing my makeup. It's really weird, but what's done is done. And yeah, don't forget the golden rule. Don't do just blend, but blend. No, wait. Don't forget the golden rule. Don't do just blend, but blend. So, bye guys. Keep safe. Mwah.